on the next. No matter how hard you try, you just can't get rid of them. And they leave no trace of evidence behind. They're creepy, crawly, and disgusting. These little spiders fit the perfect description. Now, of course, to get arachnophobia, you have to develop a fear of it. And this fear usually starts at a young age. And of course, if you don't know you have arachnophobia, you can always look up the symptoms. And once, of course, if you can obtain a fear, you can also get rid of it. Now, spiders are some of man's most feared enemies, although they cause us little harm. And even though they don't really do much to us, some people fear them more than death itself. And according to mentalhealthy.com, some people do have a very real experience that causes initial fear, which can stay with them. And as they avoid the object they're scared of, they reinforce the negative experience and over time develop a phobia, which is basically saying, of course, if you're scared of spiders, you're going to avoid them. And if you avoid them, you're just going to get more scared and more scared. And also, CNN states, children may learn phobias by observing a family member's phobic reaction to an object or a situation. For example, a fear of spiders or snakes, which says, basically, if you're a young child and you see one of your family members get scared by spiders, you're also going to be scared of them because you're freaked out. Now, the symptoms might seem a bit extreme, but they're actually quite normal in severe cases of arachnophobia. And according to allaboutcounseling.com, the symptoms include rapid heartbeat, rapid breathing, nausea, fainting, dizziness, and more. And like I said, even though they seem extreme, they're actually quite normal. Now, phobias, unlike rational fears, negatively affect their lives, and moderate and severe phobias are likely to require treatment, according to mentalhealthy.com. And now that you know how the symptoms start and what the symptoms are, you can take the matters into your own hands and see what kind of treatment you need. The treatments include virtual reality simulators, systematic desensitization, and just learning more about spiders. Now, virtual reality simulators, you can set it to as much as you need. Like, you can put as many spiders in a room as you need to. They could be hanging from the walls, even though they're not real. And it will feel real, but you can stop it anytime you need to. And learning more about spiders, of course, the more you learn about something, the more interested you're going to be in it. And the more interested, the more curious, and then you're going to get more interested in spiders and not be so afraid of them. And systematic desensitization just means more exposure to spiders. Now, this is the most common way of treating your fear. Even though it seems a bit extreme, being in a room with spiders is actually very effective. Now, according to mentalhealthy.com, the last step in this treatment is holding a real live spider in your hand and not feeling afraid. Now that you know the symptoms, how the fear starts, and how to get rid of the fear, you should no longer be afraid of spiders.